Pa. Mai mă.
to commence the program now. Madam Henrietta and the entourage are around. We have the opening prayer. Can we have the opening prayer by our Imam Misera? Musa Sallah. Imam Musa Sallah, please.
الله لا إله إلا هو إنه لا تابس سنة ولا نوم وسلام له يا رب ولا إله ولا سيدنا وساس وقص السماوات ولا ولا وجه الزمن ولا جي ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة وقنا عذاب النار ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وقنا عذاب النار ربنا لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا وهب لنا من لدنك رحمة إنك أنت الوهاب فرد اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد الفاتح لما رزقنا من ناصر الحق والهادي الى صراط آله حق قدره الدار العظيم ان الله صلى الله تعالى عليه وعلى اله وصحبه وازواجه وذريته وسلم تسليما سبحان ربك رب العزه عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Amen. Thank you, Ya Imam. Thank you, Ya Imam, for that opening prayer. As in the Quranic allusion, that of no gathering is going to be fruitful when Allah's name is not mentioned. So this is why we were able to invite our able Imam at least to give us an opening prayer. So thank you so much, Ya Imam. Away from that, we have our Alcalo Misera. Can we have our Alcalo Misera, Baba Salah?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. En calminma Holland Foundation naɓe en arsi Holland Foundation ɗon ɓe calmina no feewi ɓe mbiya bisimilla maɓe e saare he eyo eɗen calmina kadi hono direct mo Mr Ba mo salmini no feewi eɓe duwane ɓe ñaage duwal kadi en calmina honorable Aliou Balde heɓe o abbi fof ɓe mbiye bisimilla maɓe eyyi direct kadi heɓe o arde ɓe fof kala koɗɗo gaɗo ɗo on mbiya bisimilla mon e Misera machallah on calminama no feewi eɗen calmina hono jelel saji ɗi kadi ɓen ɓe mbiye bisimilla eyo heɗen calmina kadi noon kadi Misera ha Sumbundu ha Seeno Engele ha Sara Moussa fof en calminna dal kaɓada fof en calminma e mbiya bisimilla maɓe eɗen kolla Holland Foundation weltare men nde e maɓe MRC Holland Foundation darde ɓe darinde e leydi Gambia darde ɓe daranide ha ari arti he LRA darde ɓe daranide ha ari arti e Misera eyyi ɗen ɓe jarno beteno wona seeɗa eyyi wallahi ɗen belti ɗen ɓe jarna bisimilla mon on jarama bisimilla mon e Misera jarama assalamu aleykum wa rahmatullahi taala wa barakatuh
Rectify Diallo wona balde ko Diallo
eyyi moɗo eyo ko noon kay dayre to a jaafoɗa mi wanmo balde ande ko Diallo e wanmo balde naajo kono ko Diallo eyyi dayre to jaafoɗa ɗon ko wasa ko famde waɗi ɗum a jarama Diallo jeeri Diallo mo jalantamo a jarama bisimilla mon ɗen calmina ticcaɓe ɓe kadi fof ɓe calmine en calmina kadi hono sukaɓe school ɓe joni on jima onon sukaɓe school Misera ko mbaɗani ɗen ko kala mo waɗana felliti he jangde jangga ha ko jora ɗon comme ni noon jaru tara felliti he jangde o mere darna ɗum ko ha jeeni yeeso adi mbaɗa ɗen ɗeɗo oɗoni felliti e jangde sukaɓe Misera ɓe sukaɓe caeɗe fof ɗo ha Sara Moussa fof tuɗuɗu sukaɓe ka mbaɗa felliti he jangde Allah waɗa suudu e barke bambo oy poli mofto bisimilla mon o wiye bisimilla ma ko e bisimilla mo non fof on jarama on jarama
Thank you, our able Alcalo. He is acknowledging the presence of everyone around, from Madam Henrietta, the teachers, students, and everyone, the parents at large. He also reiterates that yes, such a massive exercise has been built inside this one. So it's high time for students, parents, and everyone to embrace such a huge achievement. So thank you so much, our Alcala, for that wonderful remark. Away from that, I will welcome my able boss in his courtesy that I am able to work at Misera basic cycle. His courtesy cannot be gone over him. So I welcome you, Mr. Principal, to come around this, give us a statement about the school, please. He served such a solace during my time in Misera. So can we give him a round of applause, please? We can all the Misera basic cycle staff can acknowledge his courtesy. So thank you.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The sole sponsors of this magnificent project in Amsterdam, MRC Holland Foundation, National Coordinator in the Gambia, Madam Henrietta Sonko, the Regional Education Director, Mr. Momodu Jijalo, the National Assembly Member for Jaro West, Honorable Aliou Balde, staff of MRC Holland Foundation here present, the staff of Misera Basic Cycle School here present, the students of Misera Basic Cycle School, the Alcalo of Misera, Sare Musa, Sumbundu, and all other Alcalos here present, the Imam of Misera, and all other Imams here present, VDC chairs, SMC members, Vice Principal, Misera Basic Cycle School, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today marks truly a momentous occasion as we gather to celebrate the grand opening of our new school. It is with great pride and excitement that I stand here to deliver this speech on this auspicious occasion. Today, we are not only here to witness the physical opening of a new building, but also to inaugurate a new chapter in the lives of our students, in the lives of our educators, and the entire community. This new school represents a beacon of hope, knowledge, and opportunity for all to walk through its door. My administration is committed to creating an enabling environment where all will strive for the realization of their fullest potentials. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, as we embark on this journey together, let us reflect on the profound impact education has in shaping the minds of the future. This school is more than just brick and mortar. It is a place where dreams will be cultivated, talents will be nurtured, and leaders will be born. To the students, I urge you to embrace this school as a place where you can strive for excellence, explore your passions, and unlock the full potentials. Remember that education is the key to unlocking limitless opportunities and building a better tomorrow. I solemnly urge you to seize every opportunity that comes your way, to embrace challenges and never stop learning, growing. You are the livelihood of this new school. It is your passion, enthusiasm, and dedication that will define its legacy. To the educators and staff, let us recall on our vision, which aims at transforming this place as a center for moral, academic, and professional excellence. This new school stands as a testament to our unwavering commitment to providing quality education and fostering a nurturing learning environment for our students. As we inaugurate this state-of-art facility, we also embark on a journey filled with endless possibilities, boundless opportunities, and limitless potentials. I commend you for the dedication, hard work, unwavering commitment to guide and inspire the next generation. Your role in shaping the minds of young people is invaluable, and the influence you have on the students will resonate for now and posterity. As we inaugurate this new school, let us reaffirm our commitment to creating a nurturing and inclusive learning environment where every student feels valued, supported, and empowered to succeed. Let us foster a culture of curiosity, creativity, and collaboration that prepares our students not just for academic success, but also for a life of meaning and purpose. With these cutting-edge classrooms, innovative technology, and the dedicated educators, we aim to cultivate a community of curious minds, critical thinkers, and compassionate individuals. To the sponsors of this magnificent edifice, the people of Kabada are very much excited because this is an area that existed for centuries without having the opportunity to have senior secondary education. So we are very much grateful. The impact you've made and are still making in the lives of Gambian children is highly appreciated. The children, who are the cream of the society and the hope of humanity, feel empowered by these magnificent structures. The memories that have been created by your philanthropic gestures will keep ringing and not sinking in the minds of Gambian people. This school is not just a building. It is a place where dreams take flight, where minds are enriched, and where the futures are shaped. Your foundation is undoubtedly a clear testimony of the greatest philanthropist this country has ever experienced. In conclusion, I extend my profound and deepest gratitude to all who have made this day possible. The visionary leaders, the tireless educators, and the supportive parents, and also our diligent students. Together, let us embark on this exciting new chapter with hope in our hearts, determination in our spirit, and commitment to excellence in all that we do. I thank you all for your time again.
Thank you, our able principal, Mr. Baji. Thank you so much. Madam Henrietta, to add on to what my boss said, we would be an ingrate if we did not thank you for such a kind gesture. So once again, we are saying thank you for building us such a massive edifice. So thank you so much. And again, this is going to be a fountain of knowledge for us. Not only a massive building, for only beautifying the environment or whatsoever, but again, like I said, to reiterate on that, we are going to see this as a fountain of knowledge. We, the students, the teachers, everybody, and even the village at large. So thank you once again. Away from that, like we the Flash commonly say, Fijindaro Atasobe. Yes, so we like to have a short entertainment by the cultural group here that are going to give us a short entertainment at least. Because like we believe in our fuller society, the director can tell that Fijindaro Atasobe, he knows very well. So the cultural group, you are welcome on stage. Hey, your name happy guy in the Arabic and cultural dance. What's your son? When the Holy Righteous Amen. So you are welcome.
Jallo.
Who is the leader? Can I see him?
Yeah? You are here.
Yes, I'm scared. Ningo, Nam Ningo, Nga guys, 5 minutes. Wow.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
For that praise entertainment.
Thank you. Yes, Mr. So and the students, thank you so much. Okay, then, please. Okay, then, please. Yes, like I said, thank you. As a literature teacher, I believe, we believe there is no problem with entertainment. Because as some psychiatrists always put it, that yes, we all build castles in the air at times. But then the problem comes when we don't know our limitations of that entertainment.
So thank you so much for that wonderful entertainment. Away from that, I would like to invite on stage an erudite scholar of this region. That is none other, our able director, Mr. Jallo. Can we give him a round of applause, please? Yes. Under his courtesy, we are working and then having a room for improvement. But then again, it is him that we can hail all the time. So, Mr. Jallo, you are welcome on stage, please. Our able director. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair of this important occasion. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. The chairman of the ceremony, the governor or his representative, the Honorable National Assembly Member for Jara West, Honorable Ali Uba, Alkalo and Imam of Misera, SMC Chair and members of the Mothers Club, the coordinator of the MRC Holland Foundation, Dr. Henrietta and her team, Mohammed Jaze, contractor and team, principal Mr. Baji and teachers, school children, Alkalolu and community members of Kabada and its surroundings, communities, representatives of MOPSI, that is from the communication unit, staff of Red 4, head teachers, principals, teachers of other schools, the media and the invited guests. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening to you all. Good evening to you all. Today is an important day in the history of education in this region, as we are not only witnessing the inauguration of 12 classrooms, 10 rooms for teachers, 12 toilets, magnificently built by Bajamba Construction, funded by our most reliable partner, MRC Holland Foundation, through the coordination of its always visible coordinator, Madam Henrietta Sonko, through the invisible hands but always present through its action, that is the MRC Holland Foundation. It is a history unfolding as the building we are about to inaugurate will pave the way for the first senior secondary school in Kabada since independence. Master of ceremony, ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to explain why I call the MRC Holland Foundation the most reliable partner of the Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education. From 2020 to date, that is from 2020 to 2024, in this region alone, they have intervened magnanimously in 27 schools, which they built from scratch to finish. Over the period, they built 336 new classrooms, 92 offices, 30 boreholes, 350 toilets, and 222 teacher rooms, fitted with 195 solar panels. The intervention in this region alone qualified them to be called the most reliable partners, talk less of what is being done in other regions in this country. So, Madam Henrietta, thank you with your team. We are really grateful and we remain grateful. The provision of facilities does not only provide space and thus access, it makes the learning environment conducive and therefore enhance the quality we all yearning as a country. Ladies and gentlemen, please allow me also to thank the senior management of MOPSI for partnering with this wonderful partner. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, I want to seize this opportunity to assure the MRC Holland Foundation that as a ministry and a government, we will endeavor to do our part by providing teachers and all other required resources for teaching and learning. And we will also ensure that the building we are about to inaugurate is maintained. Now, the community of Kabada, particularly those of Misera, while I want to sincerely thank you for providing this land for this wonderful school, please take ownership of the facility. Please enroll your children and retain them in school to complete, particularly our girls. Our girls should complete their education. With this, I want to thank you for all your kind attention. Mr. Chair, ladies and gentlemen, I want now to turn to Pulaar. Assalamu alaikum musidɓe Kabada, mi salmini onon fof debbo e gorko. Mi salmini député moɗon o, mi salmini jargaji gondi, mi salmini contracteur on, kala gonɗo ɗo mi salmini ɗum. Hande ko weltare ko yettere Allah, par ce que eɗen uddita school mo gandanɗa hoore ma ko o jibinanta en senior secondary school Ido e Tundu Kabada. Nden noon en jetti Allah hande. Caggal yettude Allah, muna on yiɗi resnude kongi seeɗa. School ko yimɓe wurnata ɗum. School koko toppitte. Nden noon ngaren toppitoɗen school men. Hanki ko sooma jahannoɗen hakkunde meɗen e sooma ko kilométre aji 6. Kono se en daari police éducation o, laamu Gambia wi ɓe jiiɗa suka yaha ko ɓuri kilométre aji 5 pour senior secondary school. Nden noon si school o wuurat mo wona school, il faut ka tinnoɗen sukaɓe gacce hakke deƴƴena mi wawa haalde. Nden si school o wawat wuurde, ko enen jibinaɓe ɓe e Kabada ko enen toppitto school o mo wona school. School wona maadi de, principal mono o memi ɗum ɗo seeɗa. O yimbo wona school mo gandanɗa hoore ma ko school ñeheteɗo ɗo jangoɓe moƴƴe keɓoto, kono jangoɓe moƴƴuɓe noon mbawa heɓo caggal si jibnaɓe ɓe ballani ɓe. Nden noon ngare ballen sukaɓe meɗen ɓe ɓe janga, ngola en jahano ko woɗɗi. Joni school o ari ɗo si hikka septembre, si Allah jaaɓi oppa beesigo min ceerinat ɗum e lowa beesigo, school o wona oppa e senior secondary school. Onon noon poti wurrude school o, onon poti wallude school o. Laamu ɗum MRC Holland Foundation wawa wadde fof de. Oɗon jogii ɓiɓɓe wonɓe caggal leydi ɓe mballu min ha school o simo foti darade mo waɗa exam mo wawa heɓde komo foti ko heɓde on garino to regional office mbiɗon oɗon jiiɗi senior secondary school mbimi on poti onon e tinne kono noon komi yi koɗo hande seeɗa en dañƴina kam de seeɗa mi ɗeñƴo e préparation kono Allah waɗi yimɓe hande yimɓeɓe arde on notima nden noon toppite school o si korgue goto ɗofima ngare tawon paade laamu tawon paade principal onon SMC committee ƴefte jahnide ɗon school o ko onon yi ko school o ko onon mahana gay noon ko ladde ala ko taari ɗum e to ɗon tuto ɗon leɗɗe ne pour ɓe mbawa aynude school o ta si hendu ari mo ɗofata school o soɗi ƴi neɗɗo kadi mo memaɗi soolaji ɗo woɗɗani frontiére de ndena heewi babaɓe ɓe ɗo keewi mbahenɓe ɓe kala ko naati Casamance rek gasi nden ngare onon fof gonon polisaɓe ngay noon ko jiiɗon ko ha ko ɗum jinnomen haala albarka Allah waɗi school barke once again Mr. Chair, may I also seize this opportunity to single out my former boss and mentor Mr. Omar Jata for mentoring me well. Mr. Jata, despite being a Jola. Thank you. Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, our able director. As a literature teacher, I always believe that our able director is so didactic in his speech. There is always moral lesson that I do learn. To share a brief story between me and him. There was a time when I lost my parent that I find it so difficult at the time. But then he served as the only solace to me in trying to comfort me. Not only that, but again also the manner, the fashion in which he talked to me, like a fatherly figure. I always tend to appreciate that, and I don't want to be an ingrate towards that. So thank you so much, our able director. And thank you once again, Madam Henrietta. Like I said, thanking you all day long we can. Because why? We do not want to be such a people that are not grateful towards this service. So thank you for giving us such a massive edifice. Thank you so much. Away from that, we have our poetry. We have our drama students. Still again on an entertainment. We want to have the students to perform a drama for us today. So you are welcome on stage. Misera, thank you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much.
We do not want to cut that short, but then again, time is not on our side. Thank you so much. Misera, yeto babe. MRC Holland on Amaro na bile bande. For schools, we need to do the nani. When I yeto jalene, thank you so much. And now we welcome the president of the Mothers Club. That is Aissatou Cisse. Now Aissatou Cisse. Yes, that was the Mothers Club president, Madam Henrietta. She's just saying that they are grateful again, once again. They are saying thank you. They've known that you have done your part. Now it's their turn to also do theirs. So thank you so much once again. Thank you. Yes, we still have a poetry performance. Can we still have them say poetry?
Have a drink will not quench your thirst. Have a meal will not satiate your hunger. Have the way will get you no way. Have an idea will bear you no result.
Your other half is not the one you love. It is you in another time.
my stanza, which says, have an idea you bear in origin. Meaning, if you are saying something, explain it clearly and meaningful.
I'm here to explain line 1 of my stanza, which says, do not accept, have a solution. Accept only a complete idea, not a half idea. I am here to explain line the first line of my I am here to explain the first line of my stanza, which says, if you accept, then explain it broadly. Do not mix it. It's me. If you accept something, be clear about it. And if you refuse something, be clear about it. I'm here to explain line 3 of my stanza, which says, do not silence yourself to say something. It means talking without thinking. Talking without thinking critically may lead to make errors. It means think before you talk. I'm here to explain line 4 of my stanza, which said, do not live half a life. It means, if you are living in a society, do not be a pretender. Be who you are and behave well.
Yes, thank you so much. Our beautiful poets. Thank you so much. That was a wonderful poetry. Thank you. Thank you so much, our wonderful poets. Thank you. Mr. So, you've done great. Thank you so much. We were entertained. And also we flanked too. Yes. I know people are in haste, yes, obviously. But then again, as a literature teacher, whenever I see poetry, I am moved. So, one of the poet made mention, that is in your line 3 of your stanza. I would like to put a didactic towards that. Yes. That there is this adage which says that one moment of silence saves you from 1,000 moments of regrets. So whereas you think, yes, if you speak, you are going to cause trouble or whatsoever, then remain silent. Because that will save you. And aftermath, that is a regret that you are going to have at the end of that. So thank you. Away from that now, we have Madam Henrietta, but I'm changing your surname to Henrietta Jallo, not Henrietta Sonko, the National Coordinator of MRC Holland. Can you all give her a round of applause, please? Yes, Madam Henrietta Sonko, the National Coordinator of MRC Holland.
Assalamu alaikum. Baby ketto non bade fi Allah surtout suka e kette ko halete ko mawbe wonbe do tagale on de kette parce que ko halete ko bidiya mo jepta son ketta gi dani wawata yalti dum fotini fukkirden on nani on nan ma ketto le balane fi Allah ketto non nani ha mi ko nyomi ngol mi de andi nyomi na be bi jarna be do jani ko dum be kalda de min non ko mi badin naajo mi gumani dum kono sol badi de ni no batto ni on ciowa coordinator ko halta ko think that you are better than the Nyominkas. In Nyomi, they listen. I don't know in Jara. So thank you.
Hello? Hello? We were listening to the poets, the girls and boys from Misera Upper Basic, and they were talking about half friend, and half friend is not good enough. You have to be full friend. Now what about half education? What do you say? Is half education good? No. We don't want half education. And that's why Misera is now going to have a senior secondary school. We don't want half education. So if you go to Misera Senior Secondary School, take it very seriously and make sure you get full education. Yeah? Now after when you finish grade 12, is that full education? What do you say? It's not. You still want more. Then you have to make sure you do very well, Miss Henrietta. You do very well in your grade 12 exam, because then, if you're lucky, you can get a scholarship from MRC Holland Foundation to go to university, or to go to GTTI, or to go to the School of Nursing, or to become a teacher, or a doctor, or a plumber, or an electrician. Then if you reach that, then you have full education. And that education will help you in your life. So make sure, Miss Henrietta, focus, and your colleagues, focus on your education and make sure you get full education. To be able to get full education, everybody has to help. And that's why I want to say thank you to the principal of the school. I want to say thank you to the teachers. I want to say thank you to the Mothers Club. I want to say thank you to the SMC. I want to say thank you to the Alicano and to the National Assembly member, because without the National Assembly member not going and fighting for your rights at the National Assembly, you may also not have full education. I also want to say thank you to the contractor who did a very beautiful job, both at this school and at the old school where he renovated the school. We are very proud of you and the beautiful job you did. I also want to say thank you to everybody, my whole team who works with me in the MRC Holland office, and who make sure that we don't only build the school, but you get your furniture, you get your water, you get your electricity, and you get everything you need. Please, can you put up your hands, everybody from our office? Yes, thank you very much. Last but not least, are you listening? Last but not least, I want to say thank you to our wonderful sponsors, which we are missing here today. They could not make it from Amsterdam to here for this opening, but they are with us here, and we are going to send them the pictures. special people. They is a couple, a husband and a wife, and together they sponsored the construction of all these classrooms, all these schools. So it is not the United Nations and it's not the World Bank. No, it's not a country which provides support or a big NGO. No, these are two people who use their money to make sure you have full education. And after saying thank you to all of you, I hope in 3 years' time we'll be able to say thank you, students, for doing your best, and Misera Senior Secondary School coming out on top of all the schools in the country. So I look forward to that moment, and for now I just end saying thank you to everybody.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Henrietta. Thank you so much. Yes, can we have a cultural dance by Penda and the group? Not Penda. And your group, your cultural dance, please. The floor is yours. Not Penda.
Thank you.
Astonishing. Well, men weltima, everyone. Men folk men weltima, we are happy. Yes. The expression on the faces can relate. Yes. Madam Henriatta's face, our director's face can all relate that men weltima. Contact talent. We are happy. Thank you, Madam Penda, Mel Penda, and Jarama. Welita Safi. Yes. Now, Johnny Okindiren, please. We'd like to welcome our Honorable National Assembly member, that is Mr. Aliu Balde. Can we give him a round of applause? Yes, Mr. Balde, you're welcome.
I'm asked to give a vote of thanks, but I want to make a small statement before giving my vote of thanks because I am happy today. I've seen my sister dancing and I've never seen her dancing. The coordinator, MRC Holland Foundation, the principal, Misera Basic Cycle School, the regional director of education, Moduji Diallo, the alcalo of Misera and all the alcalos of all the villages that are gathered here today, the SMC, the Mothers Club, the teachers, parents, and the contractor, Bambo Jasi, Bajamba Construction, and my senior brother, Lamin Sedi, a board member of MRC Holland Foundation. Yes, I give you the board member today. All the staffs of MRC Holland Foundation, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. On behalf of my humble self and the entire citizens of Jara West constituency, and by extension, the entire population of Lower River region, I rise to thank Almighty Allah and express profound gratitude to MRC Holland Foundation under the leadership of Henrietta Sonko. Today, we are living witness to the opening of this magnificent edifice. 2 beautiful buildings with 12 classrooms and the masterpiece structure to serve as residence for teachers who will serve at this senior secondary school. MRC Holland Foundation, in collaboration with the Ministry of Basic and Secondary Education, has upgraded the Misera Basic Cycle School to a most welcome gift to the people of LRR. This is a remarkable contribution to the development of access to higher education in the Gambia. This is a significant milestone in the history of Kabada. Over the years, our children have to commute daily to Soma or to Mansakonko or find families to host them. We all know the implications and the associated challenges that parents and students face in that arrangement. I must hasten to acknowledge that when I approached the representative of MRC Holland Foundation, she quickly responded, advised and guided me to put the proposal to the MOPSI for approval. As a result, we do not only have a high school, but even the teachers will be put on government payroll. Give a resounding applause to Madam Henrietta Sonko and her team. And our team of contractors for these historic buildings. On behalf of our elders and parents, I urge all the youths of this region to make best use of this opportunity that has been brought to the doorstep of Kabada. All are invited and welcome with open hearts to grab this opportunity. Last but not the least, all this has been made possible as a result of the enabling environment ushered in by President Barrow's government. Under Barrow, the sky is the limit. I thank you all. I want to speak in Fula now to advise my parents, my colleagues, my brothers and my sisters. Assalamu alaikum, bisalmin mon mando bete wana seda. Kalbe be do foko idi ko hal woni kulle hebongo school mo wona curi di dan woni school. Curi di darne ko tan wona on don woni school. Mi halma do kalbe non ditim kalma wona dara ko curi di dan woni school. Enen mbata school mo o wura. Curi di dan darne non tan gona non ta di danca student ji danji hore dum nawata men yeso. On non den ko dum liggey enen fof mbaden fere school mo o wona school. En gono mbiya dabboy go guardian walla yimbe teppo hande do e soma be njaabe jangoyal from grade 10 ha grade 12. Hande non en kemma ko do poten waw jangu joni bom ko enen jippinta yimbe wada cubi be si modo school mo barkini wadan mbadde choose mo school immo dulaje do ha makati ha base hay banjulden mbawi jippindo ta ko ngarbe jangugo siko tawma jangde nde wadi serious ebe bandata jangde nde ha wada fayda ko enen e koye men nden mido tori mawbe be ngaccen sukabe janga ballen sukabe janga school mo si wonma classe uji di do wona ko weydi ko ran dafte ko yo wat yimbe be ngadde be jangda jangde nafonde be bimbi jango goto fof wawa heddo nangi renta e development leydi ndi kono si won man cuudi di darim en ngala ngarobe on don ta du wona ko hawri sabuna on don okuno kam e cadele ne de dabban mi kulle school mo wiye ndako dum wawta won sabuna en ngala nomba mbawo on wat jonnon heddi men ndako den jogi nomba mo nda en ngala nomba mo te den jogi nomba mo sabuna kabada fof ala senior secondary school ko modo senior secondary school tan wondo den tinno den sukabe ngadde be janga mbaden fere school mo o wona school no jaarate ni school aji janani to yo modo school o wurir non odo ko enen popana gondi mido dum tori mawbe school mo be kalma do ko enen toppito school mo o wona mbadi defense kala ko yakkido wota wiye ko MRC arta moyni tanamen be moyndan men man be totu men mako jagi be mbarma fof en jarnum be heden be duwano kono kala ko yakkido mbawen andu enen ne yo tawden dum mbaawi moyndi ta wona ndargo dum don tan dum yakko on don wona haaju si amoyna nam hunde ko an toppito dum dadum waa boy kono hunde hesare fof si dum wopam dum toppita kanan dum wonata ko naywita dum yakkoto den school mo si ko sengeya kala ko foti do yakko yo en gandu ko enen jidum ko enen gadana dum ko enen pot dum moyndit nden non toppitoro dum non poten dum ni toppitoro nda jangne nde wawa ya yeso miɗo duwano MRC Holland Foundation miɗo duwano staff ji mako ɗi fof miɗo duwano contract mo Bambo Diasi de ko no wonma liggey beso ko neɗɗo moƴƴo MRC Holland Foundation non mi wima ambassador mako mo 2 weeks back in parliament she come with her ambassador in parliament. I told the ambassador this lady is a gift to Gambia. She was with the ambassador in parliament. I approached them and I told the ambassador, Gambia is a lucky country that we have Madam Henrietta Sonko in this country. Because today, wherever you go, you have teachers' quarters and very beautiful structures that students can learn. So we are praying for her for better health and long life. Midamon Salmina, Midamon Yeta. They said, I should thank you, and I am thanking you, praying for you every both day and night. I'm praying for you. May Allah give you success. May Allah give you good health. Where the money is from, may Allah multiply more and more so that you can do many of this. We are so proud of you, and we are praying for you. Say Amin both day and night. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Yes, thank you, our Honorable Mr. Aliu Balde. I wouldn't want to say much on that because Mr. Henrietta had it loud and clear. So I wouldn't want to go to more on that place. So once again, we are saying thank you. That's all we can say all day long. Thank you. Yes. Away from that, before we head on to the last garlands of our program, we'd like to welcome Mr. Sirif Ba of the SMC. Yes, can we give him a round of applause, please?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Memolu be kontona. Momo itoni kondo wala ani bona damento. Be Holland Foundation modu kontona baake. Nye tentu fanan nye jay. Kadu ye do kunyima menke kabadan koliye. Nye menke banko beye. Imam karamu wolo pour kabada damaye. Ye karamungolo mobe banko be komi ikatama banko kanyame karamungoni alota kabadale bari alota le pour Gambia be Gambia dingo be dawoda ni ala sonda ibenala jang ye karanjang kadumbe dua menye wala mu dua nyintigo karamungoni asi Gambia be develop no nyaane den no molu men ala fulan dilan jagang be kondona be jeyla be nimbarala aning me manza kunda fanan nimbarala kaatu nyin karamumo meta ko nyinina ngani fo nyinan ala kidida Holland Foundation nin ko di jamanata ye nyin karamumo do kabana jang woto womu ala tendu baleti ngamolu be tendu ngey jay coming ali yalo nyame karamumo be nyame sai kabar ali karamungo sodo de ali karamungo sodo bungo nyinyata bari ali kana bungo tuje dorong ali mantara karawola ndali daga ke nyame ali kana ogede alfalu dum ni yaje karamungo tuma mune ba sambala nyaato wala bu nyinti ko bere sinkiri samo wala ka samba nyaato wala mu student dindingo membe karangola anin ti jame be karandiyola anin alfa me yedingo nyingulu wolu belen nyanta lola istintan tani sabola yelo kendeke ila dingo dun niya samba karamu ngoto kana tuje wati nyanda kulna karamu ngola yefuta tijala bari ye karam dingo dun di karamu ngoto abe karangola ide malo ngane ala tija mu mune tumale wo manyana kela amu me wa advice dila alfa nyanda lola le ibe lore ndu nyame yette ibe lora sai patambi wola ay be manza kunda fanan nimbaral kadu ni yaje karamu lota ala ni isollem be honorable Aliou Balde fanan kontonna be dare ko fanan kontonna kadu ni yaje karamu lota alota nyama ayele da sai adelem daara to membe jang me danila karamugo me la firi nyinale ko hani banjulu moti bono je ayana jang mune be o kela ti jalu menu be tarala jang be karadilo kela nyama ni pass be ya la toro ibaje la ko banko be tarala be karala jang wala tunan ko amal karamu be lori kabada bari manke kabada damala karamugoti ni adara pass be yata mobe bola hani base kana karamoja mobe bola banjulu kana karamoke jang woto na Al-Nimbara Holland Foundation thank you very much Holland Foundation Al-Nimbara bage ali do ko ni manke al tol fan ni ala sonda al fan fanan be dini wol dundila adum be sabatindila yetra karamu wodo yetra karamola Al-Nimbara bage enen kala nan mi enen torobe enen darna be school mo yo en nangu sukabe men be wala nanu suka school tawa suka mo hay ti jama ko anda no wide si anda dum suka school ya di school do la mo yilo hala la sumo la sumo janga be suka men jango be bimbi en jogo di leydi be kala ne do yo wibido mo wono ida president wono ida vice president wono ida minister wono ida teacher wono ida doctor kono ko buranto teacher to suka mo ato pidagi mo alaramo anda ti jama ko mo hawra ma yo en makilo suka men be fo ganden teacher e mabbe en dino school aji mo school nangule non ko jagi gambia fo na toran on jaram thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Serepa. Like I said, Madam Henrietta, it's a thanking all day long. Yes, so this is all we got because we are grateful. So we will not want to add anything on top of that to avoid mere exaggerations. But then again, by the DJ that he has something for the principal. For the principal and then the staff of Misera Basic Cycle. But again, we like to, on top of that, we like to acknowledge our former principal, Mr. Fulbe. Thank you so much. We would like to acknowledge your presence and then thank you for your coming. DJ. Yes, this is for the principal and the staff of Misera Basic Cycle. DJ, what do you know Safawai?
So the baddest DJ out of Delta sound system.
Mr. Baji. Arahakune. Waden Hasafa, Arahakune. Yes. Please, only the teachers, please. Only the teachers, please.
you. Thank you, Mr. Maji.
Yes, safite weli. Ka affaire mo safite weli, safna nehna. Bu fi yamon fi samone. Bahna, thank you. Yes, now we have into the cutting of the ribbon. Yes, please, students.
Also, everyone here, can you have this part, please? Please. Yes. We are now heading to the last itinerary of the program. That is the cutting of the ribbon. Yes, teachers and students, can we clear this path, please? Can we clear this path, please? We are now heading to the cutting of the ribbon. Yes, please.
That comes to the end of our program. We are grateful, everyone. The presence of everyone is acknowledged. The principals of Kenya schools. The principals of Kenya schools, parents, and everyone here. Your presence has been acknowledged. Thank you. We are now heading to the cutting of the ribbon. Fii la ko fix. Fixal ñaar yi. Yeah.